What's up, everyone? Today we're diving deep into something that's already remodeling the entire house: artificial intelligence. Specifically, the tools that are fundamentally changing how we approach our work, productivity, and creativity. AI has evolved from simple algorithms to complex neural networks, becoming an indispensable co-pilot in countless professions. It's no longer a question of AI will impact your job, but you can leverage it to stay ahead. The landscape of professional tools is shifting, and the advancements we're seeing are genuinely transformative. Think about the tasks that used to eat up hours or the creative barriers that seemed insurmountable. Many of those are now being addressed by sophisticated AI that can understand context, generate novel ideas, and automate complex processes. This isn't about replacement, it's about augmentation, unlocking new levels of efficiency and capability. 2025 is not the future. It's now, and these AI tools are rewriting the rules of work. So, in this video, we're gonna break down the absolute game changers. I've spent a good amount of time testing, researching, and really living with these platforms to see what's hype and what's genuinely impactful. We're looking at the top 7 AI tools revolutionizing work in 2025. These tools are practically reshaping workflows and opening up new possibilities for professionals across the board. Let's get into it. First up, we have ChatGPT 4.5 with its enhanced memory feature. The core ChatGPT experience has always been impressive, able to draft emails, write code, brainstorm ideas, and more. The game changer with this iteration is its persistent memory across interactions. Imagine an assistant that genuinely learns your preferences, style, common projects, and industry nuances. For professionals, this translates into a massive time saver. Instead of re-explaining context or reminding the AI of previous discussions, this allows for a much more seamless and efficient workflow. Think about daily tasks like compiling weekly progress reports for different projects. With memory, ChatGPT 4.5 can learn these distinctions and draft reports accordingly. Beyond report generation, consider its application in research or content creation. If you're consistently exploring specific themes, ChatGPT 4.5 can build a knowledge base around your interests. The implications for coding are also significant. If you're a developer, the AI can remember specific functions you've written, architectural patterns you prefer, or common bugs you've encountered. This means when you ask for help debugging or generating new code snippets, the suggestions are more likely to fit seamlessly into your existing project. OpenAI emphasizes user control over what the AI remembers and the ability to manage or delete that memory. Assuming these controls are robust and transparent, the efficiency gains are undeniable. ChatGPT 4.5 with memory isn't just an incremental update, it's a significant step towards AI that truly adapts to the individual user. Next on the list is Claude 3 from Anthropic. Claude 3 excels in advanced reasoning and enterprise-grade safety. It offers models like Haiku, Sonnet, and Opus for various needs. Known for nuanced comprehension and generating complex content, it can analyze dense documents and provide summaries or new content. Essential for high-stakes business information. Enhances workplace communication. Distills technical documents into concise memos. Handles this proficiently. Emphasizes safety and reducing harmful outputs. The constitutional AI approach ensures responsible operation, lower risk for customer interactions and internal decisions, powers chatbots for complex inquiries, acts as an analytical tool for complex projects, offers flexibility with various models. Claude 3 is a mature, robust AI solution for the workplace. Let's shift gears to a tool that tackles a universal pain point: process documentation and training. I'm talking about Scribe AI. Scribe AI automates the creation of step-by-step guides. You turn on the Scribe recorder and perform the task as you normally would. Scribe AI watches what you do, capturing screenshots and automatically generating text instructions for each step. Once you've completed the process, Scribe presents you with a fully formed, step-by-step tutorial. This is a massive efficiency gain, especially for teams that rely on standardized processes. The generated guides are not static. You can easily edit the text, add more details, blur sensitive information, or combine multiple scribes into a larger manual. Sharing is straightforward, whether via a direct link, embedding it into a knowledge base, or exporting it as a PDF. For team onboarding, Scribe AI is a game changer. Instead of a senior team member spending hours demonstrating tasks, they can create a scribe once, and let new employees learn at their own pace. This provides a consistent and reliable training resource. Customer support teams can also leverage Scribe AI extensively. Support agents can quickly create a scribe to visually guide customers through solutions. Even for individual professionals, Scribe AI can be a personal productivity tool. The ease of use means there's very little friction to actually it. Chapter 4, ElevenLabs Dubbing Studio Globalizing Content with AI Voice. For creators, marketers, and businesses looking to expand globally, this tool is transformative. ElevenLabs Dubbing Studio allows creators to dub their content into multiple languages, using high-quality synthetic voices or a cloned version of their own voice. Imagine creating a video in English, then having it available in multiple languages. Adjustments in tone, emotion, and pacing ensure the dubbed version carries the same impact. The voice cloning technology is a standout feature. For creators, having their voice speak other languages is powerful. Consider the implications for educational content. Professors can make their courses accessible globally without re-recording. For marketing, creating multilingual campaigns is a huge advantage. Brands can tailor messaging to regions, increasing engagement. The platform offers tools for synchronizing dubbed audio with the original video. ElevenLabs requires consent for cloning voices to prevent misuse, empowering creators to share their message globally without linguistic limitations. For all the developers out there, this one is likely already on your radar. We're looking at GitHub Copilot X. GitHub Copilot has already revolutionized coding by providing AI-powered code suggestions directly in the editor. Copilot X represents the next evolution, integrating AI more deeply into the entire development lifecycle. This includes features like Copilot Chat, which brings a chatgpt-like conversational interface directly into the IDE and the GitHub website. Developers can ask questions about their code, get explanations for complex snippets, or ask for suggestions on how to approach a particular problem. Copilot X understands context, providing much more relevant and useful suggestions. For example, you could highlight a block of code and ask Copilot Chat to explain what it does, suggest refactorings, or write unit tests. This significantly speeds up both learning and development. Copilot X acts like an AI partner that's always available, never gets tired, and has been trained on billions of lines of code. It can help you brainstorm solutions, debug tricky issues, and learn new programming languages or frameworks more quickly. Another exciting feature is Copilot for pull requests. When a developer submits a pull request, Copilot can automatically generate a description of the changes. Copilot Voice allows developers to code using natural language voice commands. For software developers, the benefits are clear: increased productivity, faster learning, and assistance with tedious tasks. GitHub Copilot X is undeniably shaping the future of software engineering. Next up, we're diving into the world of creative content with Runway ML Gen-3. Runway has been at the forefront of AI tools for artists and creators. Their Gen-3 model for video generation and editing is pushing the boundaries of what's possible with AI in visual media. Runway ML Gen-3 allows users to generate video clips from text prompts. You can type in a scene, an action, or a style, and Gen-3 will create a short video sequence matching that prompt. This can be incredibly useful for storyboarding, creating B-roll, or visualizing concepts quickly. Beyond text-to-video generation, Gen-3 offers a suite of AI-powered video editing features. Tasks like object removal, inpainting, motion tracking, style transfer, and super slow motion are all driven by AI algorithms. One of the standout features is the ability to edit scenes with a level of control that's becoming increasingly granular. For marketers and social media content creators, the speed at which they can generate unique visual assets is a game changer. Content creators can use Gen-3 to augment their productions. The implications for pre-production are also significant. Directors and cinematographers can use text-to-video to quickly mock up scenes and experiment with different visual styles. Runway ML is positioning these tools as creative aids, empowering artists rather than replacing them. Last but certainly not least, we have Notion AI 2.0. Notion has become a beloved tool for notes, project management, wikis, and databases. With Notion AI 2.0, it transforms into an intelligent assistant. It understands the context of your documents and project boards. One key strength is automated knowledge management. It summarizes documents, extracts insights, and answers questions. Task generation and management also get a boost. Highlight meeting notes to generate action items. Notion AI 2.0 enhances productivity and knowledge management. So there you have it, 7 AI tools revolutionizing the way we work in 2025. From hyper-personalized assistants to intelligent knowledge hubs, the impact is undeniable. These tools represent a fundamental shift in our capabilities and efficiency. The key is integrating these tools thoughtfully to augment our skills. The pace of AI development is incredibly fast. These tools are already providing immense value across diverse fields. It's an exciting time to explore these technologies. The future of work is collaborative, with AI as an indispensable collaborator. But now I want to hear from you. Which AI tool do you use daily? Or which of these tools are you most excited to try out? Let me know your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. And if you found this breakdown helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.